Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Thomas. Hello families. We're going to be going over all of the stuff for week 3 right here. I didn't want to put it at the bottom because, well, you need the bottom. So make sure your goal for this week is to check in on your pencil box and make sure that that hasn't been taken over by the dog or brothers or sisters. Because the thing is, like I said in the week 1 video, I actually have to buy these with my own money. So I only buy 25, so I don't have any extra to give out. Make sure you keep those in a safe place. You are big kids now. You're going to be in 1st grade pretty soon. So you need to learn how to be responsible with your items, right? So that means putting it in a safe place. When I go home every day, I don't leave my purse out. I put my purse away in a safe place. I put my phone away in a safe place every single day. So I know where it is, but it's out of reach of little kids and out of reach of pets. All right, so week 3, we're learning about the letter Q. You already know how to do the Q page because you're amazing. You already know how to do the Q trace because you're amazing. And you're going to do your best work and just know it. Q sort, let's go over the words because sometimes they're tricky. Question, yes. Some of you might say blanket on this one. You're right, it is a blanket, but it's a particular kind of blanket called a quilt. A quilt is a blanket that you make out of other scraps. So some people a long time ago used to make it out of like old clothes, like when their kids grew out of their clothes, they would cut up the clothes and make a quilt. Nowadays, people use like new material for it, but it's a blanket made up of all these little patches, the little squares. Boot? No. Pumpkin? No. What coin is worth 25 cents? You should have said a quarter. Quarter? Yes. Tree? No. Queen? Yes. Penguin? No. Okay, one of your sight words for this week is little. So your sentence can say, I want a little dog. And then your picture is going to be about you wanting a little dog. So remember, name, trace the word little, write it on your own, write your sentence on your own, start with a capital, end with a period, then draw your picture. Your second sight word of the week is play. This one should be easy. I like to play, or I want to play with my friends. Again, name, trace, write on your own, write a sentence on your own, start with a capital, end with a period, draw your picture. You'll trace the words little and the word play. Here are some more CVC words. So this is dog. So you would find the D and the OG. If you have scissors, you can use scissors. If not, you could just draw lines. So do the D and then the letters OG and then write it on your own. This one, the car is driving through clouds. The clouds are fog. So dog, fog. This is a kind of a pig called a hog. He's going on a run, but he's not very fast. When you run slowly, it's called a jog. Log. So dog, fog, hog, jog, log. Monday is your trace paper. Tuesday, you're learning more about writing the numbers 16 and 17. So it'll be really similar to last week. This will be about modeling 18 and 19. Modeling means, do the students know that the numbers 1 and 8 together make the number 18, and do they know that 18 pennies is 18? Kind of like that. So it seems a little redundant, but I promise you it's really good for them. They have to count out 18 items. On this side, they're counting out 19 items. And on the back page, you can read the directions down there. So that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. They're doing the same things with the numbers 18 and 19, making sure they know how to write 18, making sure they know the number 18 means 18 objects. That's called one-to-one correspondence. So they know what the number 18 means. That's what they're trying to prove with this paper. 19 and the review. So if it's feeling redundant, it's supposed to. Don't worry, you're not doing it wrong. These ones feel a little tedious, but it's making sure they really have good number concepts. So when they go into first grade and they're doing the number 127, they know what the number 127 means. So a lot of times in education, we say go slow to go fast. So it means go slow at the beginning. So students are really, really, really firm on the concept. So when the concepts pick up later on, math in kindergarten is pretty easy. I would say our language arts is a lot harder than math in kindergarten. But the reason that math is slow in kindergarten is because they're really building that foundation so that when they're doing big, huge numbers like 127 plus 543 at the end of first grade and in second grade, they know what those numbers mean, so then they can focus on adding them. Last but not least is the Chapter 7 review. Again, lots of different directions, but they're all at the bottom. Again, it's 4 pages, and shout out to Connor's mama for doing all these pages for us every single week. So we really appreciate it. That's the end of week 3.